Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Livestorm, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar to your Livestorm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Microsoft Outlook calendar to your Livestorm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars with Livestorm, you can manage your calendar and sync it with your Microsoft Outlook calendar and your Livestorm events. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Livestorm dashboard. My video description, I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've already logged into my Livestorm account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Microsoft Outlook calendar, here on the left side, you're going to click on app. Okay, once you do that, up here on the top left, you're going to click on my personal app. All right, once you do that, you want to click on the Microsoft Outlook calendar logo. Okay, here Livestorm is going to give you a little information about connecting your Outlook calendar, but you want to click on this button here, sign in with Microsoft. Okay, here you can go ahead and log into your Microsoft account. Okay, once you do that, Microsoft's going to ask, do you want to give permissions to Livestorm to access your Microsoft Outlook calendar? If so, click on the blue accept button. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the login button turned into disable app. So I'm going to close this down. Okay, as you can see right here next to my Microsoft Outlook calendar logo, it says enabled. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Microsoft Outlook calendar to your Livestorm account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.